Ynab versus Mint. Which finance software is better? In this video, I will explain everything the difference between Ynab and Mint. Although Ynab and Mint have features in common, budgeting assistance, goal setting, and account linking, many features also distinguish the two softwares. The key difference between them lies in their overall focus. Ynab focus heavily on budgeting with a unique forward-thinking approach, while Mint provide a bird-eye view of your financial life with all of your account in one place. Right, so we'll discuss each and everything. Ynab is paid and Mint is free. Well, this is a very, a bigger advantage who use Mint, because Mint is much more free and Ynab is paid. Ynab gives you only 34 days free trial, and after that Ynab will be start charging you. First year free college to, the students can get a 12 months of free use of Ynab, but after the 12 months they have to pay. On the others, Mint is free, but it will show you ads, right? So basically there is can be a cause of data leaking, and Mint can be use of your data to show the ads. $4.99 plus premium. Mint gives you a free access to your credit card. So if you just want to see your credit card score or just your credit card, you can just use Mint. On the other side, Ynab doesn't, right? Mint manage subscription. Mint also helps you to manage all the subscription which you take, whether it's a digital or product subscription. It helps you track each and everything. Mint track your net worth. Ynab doesn't have ads, while Mint have. As I told you, Mint is free, that's why it show you ads, but Ynab doesn't show you any ads, but it's paid, right? So both of them has their pros and cons. Ynab guard against overspending, while on the other hand, Mint, help you, or exaggerate your spending. They ask you to spend more because that is much more beneficial for them. Mint send more budget focused notification than Ynab, right? So it's compared to, if you compare both regarding the notification, we can turn off this and Mint, but this is a comparison, right? And what are the similarities between Ynab and Mint? Both Ynab and Mint work on computers as well as mobile phone. They have both the mobile application, while Ynab and Mint take different approach to the financial service, but overall it give you under the same head. So guys, I hope you found this video very useful.